Hi everyone and welcome here. For today's tutorial I got this super gorgeous bohemian earring. I use these wooden balls for the making, and I believe that they're making the project so much nicer and so much more beautiful. I hope you will enjoy making them. They took around like 4 minutes to make each of them. I hope you will enjoy making them, wearing them, or giving it to anyone as a gift. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future content as well. So let's get started. For the earring, we will need to have the following materials. I'm going to use this white yarn. This is quite thin and actually it works really great for the work. For this, I'm going to use crochet hook size 3mm. However, I'm also going to use crochet hook size 1.5mm, but this one is not for the crochet. This one is more like to pulling in through the wooden balls, and this one fits and the other one doesn't, so I chose a smaller crochet hook size for that. Also crochet needle for the stitches in the end, and scissor. And the wooden balls, I'm using 5 for each earring, so I'm going to have a couple of more for the other side as well, so 5 for each side. And finally the hook for the earrings. Okay, to start we're going to hold the yarn through the wooden balls. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If it doesn't want to get through, what I usually do, I'm just usually chip a little bit from the top part, and then it will go through nicely, just like this. Perfect. Now we're gonna tie it together, and it will like create kind of like a circle, you see. So it will create a circle. I put double, make sure that it's nice and tight. Okay, we're going to get the crochet hook, the 3mm crochet hook. We're going to work with this one now. Okay, we're going to insert here in the middle of the circle, grab the yarn, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then next, between the space between the next two circles, we're going to do a slip stitch like this. Okay, again chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, between the next space, we're going to do slip stitch. You see, these chains are kind of like as if it's hugging these wooden balls. So this is the purpose of that. So again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then again, slip stitch between the two space. Good. And again, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, between the two space, slip stitch. Last time, chain 4. Make sure that it stays between the two space, the yarn, because it might moves between the other ones, but make sure that it stays where you're currently working. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and again slip stitch between the space. Perfect. So we reached back. It's kind of shaping like a nice flower. And then now we're going to work 6 double crochets in each and every, like under these chains. Okay, you can actually, you feel free to use your fingers to pull them up and insert your crochet hook. So 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and here slip stitch between the two space, just like we did before. Okay, so we pull over, make sure again that the yarn stays there, and pull over. See, mine doesn't stay there, so I have to make sure that it stays there where we currently work. Okay, it's gonna work like this. I will help with my finger so that will stay there. Okay, again we're going to work 6 times double crochet into the next under the chains. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and again slip stitch between the two space, just like this. Okay, again 6 times double crochet under the chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one I will redo. 4, 5, and 6, and slip stitch between the two. Okay, again 6 times under the chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then slip stitch under. Again, I'm going to use my fingers to help me to keep it in one place, the yarn. Okay, and the last time we're going to do the 6 time double crochet into this space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great, and then slip stitch here where we initially started. Okay. Great. Okay, so you see the flower is kind of done. Now we're going to pull up this yarn. Don't cut yet, okay? Now I'm going to chain the crochet hook size. Okay, so the crochet hook, which is 1.5 millimeter, and I'm going to be inserting into this wooden ball and then going to pull it through. Okay, and going to add one more. If you want to add more or you want to just keep with one, that's completely fine as well. If you feel like not even putting any, that's completely okay as well. Important that you like the earring and you make the way how you want it. Okay, now going to get for the earring, the top part, the hook part. Okay, going to open this part. Just opening slightly. Usually I'm using a tool, but I'm opening this one very little, just for the yarn to get through. Okay, just like this. Okay, and if you see, we have this yarn, the one that we didn't cut yet, and if we are pulling on that one, this is making it nice and tight, so it's coming down to the level that we need. Okay, just like this. Okay, making it tight. Going to close this one. Okay, pulling a little bit more, so for sure it stays there. Okay, and now the task, we can actually cut the yarn. Going to insert the excess yarn into, the yarn we are going to insert in the crochet hook. Sorry, didn't find the words. And going to work it through a little bit here, so it's not going to be just cut, but at least a little bit worked. So we don't have the fear that maybe it will come out and the earring get ruined. Okay. Once it's done, don't forget to do this other yarn as well, the same. You can cut the excess one. So also work the same way, the other side as well. And of course, don't forget to make 2 earrings from this. I just did my other one. Now going to insert it in the packaging paper. Going to also add the silicone button, like the back for the back. So it's nicely preventing it to be lost. Okay, other side as well. So our gorgeous earrings just got ready. I hope that you had a great time preparing them as well. I love making earrings, to be honest. I love making any kind of crochet project, but to make earrings is one of my favorite, because in relatively short amount of time, I create something beautiful, and you already see the outcome very short after that. If you have any kind of advice how I can improve my channel, or how I can improve my videos, what I did good or what I should improve, I'm open to any kind of feedback. So please leave the message in the comment section below. And I hope you will enjoy wearing the earrings, or if you have anyone who is into bohemian look, will enjoy wearing your present. And I hope to see you in my future videos as well. Take care and see you.